Now theoretically we know what is probability. It is chance of happening of some event. Chance of happening of some event. But how do we numerically calculate this probability? Let us consider one experiment of tossing two coins. Tossing two coins. This is an experiment. And what are the possible outcomes of this experiment? We may get head on first coin and head on second, head on first and tail on second, similarly TH or TT. This is the four possible outcomes of this given experiment, and set of these outcomes we call sample space. Now consider this event, say E. E is any event. What is the probability of happening of this event? We represent it as PE. What is PE? This is the probability of happening of this event E. Happening of event E. So what is PE? Numerically, PE is equal to ratio of favorable events to total outcomes of the experiment. Total outcomes. Now what do we mean by this term favorable events? These are the events which satisfies the required event condition for required event. Now consider this EB to get, I'm taking this particular example only, tossing two coins. What is the probability of getting one head? What is the probability of getting one head in tossing two coins? So probability of this event will be favorable upon total outcomes. Total outcomes we know HH, HT, TH, TT. That means there are four possible outcomes for this particular experiment. And what are the favorable events? Events which satisfy this given condition, that we get one head. So automatically if one head, then other coin will show tail. So these two events HT and TH satisfies the required condition for our event E. So two are favorable events, total are 4. So probability will be 2 divided by 4, or this is equal to 1 by 2. So PE, probability of happening of any event, is favorable events upon total outcomes. Similarly, PE naught. What is this E naught? E naught is probability of not happening of event A. Probability of not happening of event E. Negation of E. And always remember this point, always probability of happening of some event, sum of this, and probability of not happening of the same event is always 1. This point is very important. Probability of happening of some event and probability of not happening of the same event adds up to 1 always.